Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD part modeling tutorial 123, and here you can see that I have modeled this part with respect to the orthographic view. I have read the dimension and modeled this part, and my part view is matching with isometric view. So in this tutorial I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part, and this part is made with a FreeCAD 1.0, which is a release candidate 1. So install this version with respect to your operating system, Linux, Mac and Windows. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file. First thing which I will do is to insert a body, and I will press a space bar to on my origin plane, and I will select this top plane and click on the sketch. Then I will go to the model tab and hide it, origin plane. And now here I will click on the circle and create a two circle. Now you can see that FreeCAD 1.0 showing the approximate dimension once I increase or decrease the size of the circle. So I want inner diameter is of 50, and create one more circle, and this is of the 60. Now I will select a diameter constraint, which is a KO, is a shortcut. So inner one is of a 50. Now I will press KO from keyboard and give the outer diameter. Now I will come out of the sketch and extrude it to the distance of 30 mm. Now one thing you might have seen that that graphics has been a lot improved in a FreeCAD 1.0, and now we will create this base. So for this I will select this bottom face and click on the sketch, and I will switch to the isometric view and click on the project geometry, and I will project this outer diameter and switch to the top view, and from here I will switch to the wireframe. Now you can see that projection edge color, you can change it with respect to the background. To do it, go to the edit and preferences, and go to the here sketcher and go to the appearances, and here is a external geometry. So here is a external geometry color is this one, and I will change it to the this color, pink, and let's say okay. So now you can see that color has been changed. Now I will create this profile. So first thing which I will do is to create a circle and provide it a diameter 20, and then I will create two lines, one at the top and other at the bottom, and I will switch to the bottom view, and here I will select the tangent icon and make this tangent, select this and this, make it tangent, and this and this tangent. Now we will use the trim tool to trim the unnecessary geometry. And now I will provide the dimension which is of a 50 mm. So here I wanted to provide a horizontal dimension, so shortcut is L. So which is of 50 mm. And now we will create a 3-point arc. Select this point and this point, and we will select this and this. Click on equal. And now our profile is fully constrained. Press V7 for shaded view and 0 for isometric. Select the sketch, click on the pad, and create a pad of 12 mm. Click on the pad, and from here select reverse direction and provide the 12 mm. Click on OK. Now we will create this profile. So for this we will select the bottom face and click on the sketch. Press 0 for isometric and switch to the top view for right orientation, and from here switch to the wireframe. Again click on the project geometry. So we are not seeing the projected edge, so we will rotate to the bottom side, and we will select the circle, create a circle, and provide the diameter 20. So best thing what I liked about the new update in a sketching in a FreeCAD RC1 is that they have combined the dimensions here. So that is very useful because it provides us lots of space in this area. We can add some another tools or micros in this area. So this is the first modeling in FreeCAD RC1. So as I make a more and more tutorial, then we will get aware about what is the new thing in a sketcher, what is new in a part modeling and in other workbenches. So now let's constrain this. So I will select this point and this point, and provide the vertical dimension, which is a constraint is I, and this is the of a 41. And now I will move this dimension and move this, and here I will create a two line. Select a line tool, one is here and one is here. I select it and I stretch it. I select it and stretch it. Now click on the tangency, select this and this, and add a tangent. Select this and this, add a tangent. Similarly this and this, select this and this and add a tangent. Now we will use the trim tool to trim the unnecessary geometry. Select it, trim it, and also trim it. Now we will select a 3-point arc and create an arc, and we will select this and this, made it equal. Click on close. Press V7 for shaded view. Switch to the isometric. Select the sketch, click on extrude, and from here we will select on the reverse, and this is of a 6 mm. Click on OK. Now we will mirror this on the other side. So we will select a pad and we will select the mirror, and from here I will select a reference and I will select this mid plane, click on OK. Now we will create this pad here. So for this I will select the face and click on the sketch. I will click on project geometry and project this arc, and I will switch to the wireframe view, and I will again project this diameter. Now I will create a circle equal to our projected arc, and now I will create a two vertical line and click on the tangency, select this and this, select this and this, and now I will use the trim tool, select trim, trim this, trim this, trim this, this and this, and we will create a 3-point arc. Select this and now select this and this, made it equal. So our sketch is fully constrained. We will come out of it. Switch to the shaded view. So FreeCAD is little bit lagging. If I switch to the wireframe and go on switch to the flat lines, sometimes it gets hang. No issue. Now we will create a pad of 6 mm. Select this and create a pad of 6 mm. Click on OK. And now we will mirror this pad on the other side. So select the pad and click on the mirror, and from here select reference and select this mid plane, click on OK, press 0 for isometric, and now we will create hole. So if you see that this all three holes of diameter 10, so we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry and select a circle and create a circle, select diameter and provide the 10 mm, click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now we will create two holes of dia 10 on both the sides. So select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select a circle, create two circles and provide the diameter of 10 mm. Select this and this and made it equal, click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now press 0 for isometric. So this is how we have created a model with a FreeCAD RC1, and this was the very simple tutorial designed for the beginner user and to get familiar with a sketcher of RC1 release of a FreeCAD. I will make more videos of a part modeling on the new release of a FreeCAD 1.0, and I will make much more complex model in upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.